Hi, welcome to Live Tutelage. In this session, we will be discussing of composite functions. Composite functions. In the previous sessions, we have discussed different types of functions: one-to-one function, onto function, inverse function, right? So, in this session, we will be discussing of the composite functions. What is a composite function? Now, if we have two functions, say f of x and g of x, so these two are the two functions, and we have defined f composite function of g. What is this? F composite function of g as f of g of x. So this is nothing but our composite function. So if we have two functions, f of x and g of x, then we can define a function called f composite function of g, and we call this as fog of x. We pronounce this as fog, f of g of x, which is also pronounced as fog of x, f of g of x. Okay, now this is nothing but f composite function of g. Okay, now this is we will consider some example. In this example, we have taken f of x is equal to 2x minus 5 and g of x is equal to x plus 3. That means, if I want to define f of 1, so if I want to define f of 1, that means you have to substitute the value of x in x place. So, which is equal to 2 into 1 minus 5. So, which results 2 minus 5, right? So, which is equal to minus 3. So, this is my f of 1. Now, what about f of 0? So, if we want to find out f of 0, so which is 2 multiplied with 0 minus 5. So, which is 2 into 0 is 0 minus 5, which results minus 5. If I want to find f of 2, so what happens for the f of 2? So 2 into 2 minus 5, so which is equal to 4 minus 5, right? 4 minus 5, which results minus 1. In general, you can go up to, for example, if I want to find out f of p, so what will be the f of p value? So which is 2 into p, 2p minus 5. This is about the function f of x. Similarly, if I want to go for g of x, which is x plus 3, right? So g of x is equal to what? X plus 3. G of x is equal to, we have given as x plus 3. Now if we want to find out g of 1, so g of 1 will be, so 1 plus 3, so which is 4. If I want to find g of 0, so g of 0 will be what? G of 0 will be 0 plus 3, which is number 3. So in general, if you want to find, say, some g of p, which is equal to, so which will be p plus 3. So this is about our g of x. Now, we'll come for our definition, which is f of g of x. So, f of g of x. So, first you substitute g of x in the function f of x, right? Now, here f of g of x is, from our example, g of x is x plus 3. X plus 3. Now, what is f of x says? Our f of x is, as per the definition, f of x is 2x minus 5, right? F of x is 2x minus 5. So, in place of x, we have to consider what here? X plus 3. So, f of x will be, f of x is, our f of x is what? 2x minus 5, right? F of x is 2x minus 5. So, I'll substitute the value of x as x plus 3 in this. So you will get f of g of x, that is nothing but your form of x, which will be form of x, right? So which is equal to, so x plus 3, 2 into, in place of x you have to put x plus 3 minus 5, okay, which is equal to what happens, which is 2x plus 6, right, minus 5. So which results 2x plus 1. This is our f of g of x or form of x. Okay, this is about our composite functions. So we can define the composite function f of g of x like this. So composite functions f of g of x like this. Okay, thank you.